Today our topic is equilibrium of firm under perfect computation in the short run and long run period. In this lecture we study that what is market, what are the characteristics or the features or the conditions of perfect computation, what is short run versus long run period, how firm earns normal profit during short run, how firm earns abnormal profit in the short run, how firms may bear normal loss in the short run, why firms bear abnormal loss in the short run, and what is shutdown point under perfect computation. Restoration of the short run equilibrium to long run equilibrium. In the long run, all firms earn zero economic profit. Why and how? So this is our lecture plan. I am going to suggest you some of my videos that will help you to understand more about the perfect computation. The one of my video is the types of cost, shapes, properties and classification of cost, my video number 43, and the cost analysis with calculation of cost, their relationship in the short run period, video number 44. Video number 45, the types of revenue, marginal revenue, average revenue and total revenue, revenue curves and their relationship under perfect computation versus imperfect computation, video number 46. If you watch these suggested videos, you will have a better concept that what is the behavior of cost and what is the revenue and what are the different types of revenue, and you will have a better idea about perfect computation, because under perfect computation we draw the different cost and revenue curves, so you must have a better knowledge of these things. Links are given in description box. We are starting with the what is market. So market is a place where buyer and seller come close to each other for the purpose of buying and selling, where buyer plans matches with seller plans. Market may be perfect or imperfect, depend upon certain conditions or features of market. So when we say the market is perfect, market is said to be perfect when there are large number of buyer and sellers are available in the market. Each firm is too small to influence the market price. There is a rule of one price in whole the market. Non-preference treatment between buyer and seller. Exit and entry is free. Firm can easily enter and exit from the market with fluctuation in price. Homogeneous product is sold in the market. It means the product of one firm is identical to the product of the other firms and are perfect substitute. Buyers and sellers are fully aware regarding market price. As a result, no producer can charge the price different than market price. Factors of production can easily move in or out from the market as per the market demand. Firm produces efficiently in the long run where average cost is at minimum. Firm is price taker, not price maker. So price is determined through the demand and supply forces. Examples of perfect computation are the stock market, agricultural market, natural gas industry, trucking industry. So here you can see there is a rule of one price in whole the market. Whatever the output price remains same, that is 5, and the average revenue and marginal revenue are equal. The rule of one price in whole the market, as we discussed in the types of revenue in detail. Price is determined through the intersection of the demand and supply forces, and E is the equilibrium price where quantity demanded and quantity supplied are in balance, and the average revenue and marginal revenue are equal. So what is the difference between short run and long run period? As we know that the short run is a period during which the firm has not sufficient time to shift from one place to another place or install a new machinery or a plant, but firm can increase the output by bringing the changes in the variable factors. Keeping the fixed factor becomes fixed. So in the short run some of the input remain fixed, whereas in the long run the firm can change the place, install a new machinery, and all costs are variable in the long run. In the short run under perfect computation, the firm may earn normal profit, abnormal profit, normal loss or abnormal loss. So these are the four possibilities of the firm under the short run. One of the first case we are discussing here, the firm earning normal profit during short run. Not all firms earn the supernormal profit in the short run. Some of them may also earn normal profit when revenue is equal to total cost. As we know that the total revenue is the price into quantity, so the total revenue is equal to OP into EQ, and total cost is equal to OP into EQ. So the total revenue is equal to total cost. Here the firm achieves equilibrium where marginal cost touches the marginal revenue from the below at point E. However, the marginal cost touches the marginal revenue at this point. This is not a point of equilibrium because at this point the firm is not producing optimum level of output. We know that profit is equal to total revenue minus total cost. So the firm makes normal profit and actually ends up producing at the break even level of output. The average revenue is equal to marginal revenue because of the rule of one price in whole the market. Here firm earns normal profit. Firm achieves equilibrium where marginal revenue is equal to marginal cost and marginal cost touches from the below. At equilibrium quantity, average cost tangents to the average revenue curve. So average revenue is equal to average cost. The second case, the firm earns abnormal profit that the average cost lies below the average revenue. It means this is the possible for firms in the perfectly competitive market to make abnormal or supernormal profit in the short run. The supernormal profit is decided where price is greater than average cost. This is the price and this is the cost. So cost is lower than price and the firm earns the supernormal profit in the short run. Deducting the total revenue from the total cost, that the remaining portion is showing the supernormal profit for the firm. So here we can say that the firm is earning supernormal profit, and supernormal profit is the difference between the total revenue and total cost. Firm achieves equilibrium where marginal revenue is equal to marginal cost, and supernormal profit is measured by the rectangle area as shown by the shaded area. The third case, the firms may earn normal loss during short run. Normal loss is also known as subnormal profit. Using the total revenue and total cost formula, the total revenue of the firm is O P Q E. This is the total revenue of the firm, whereas the total cost of the firm is O A Q B. By deducting the total revenue from total cost, that there is a loss that is equals to this portion. This is the loss. So it means the firm incur loss or subnormal profit in the short run because the average cost of producing this output is more than the ruling market price. Hence total revenue is less than total cost. Here firm is earning subnormal profit at equilibrium quantity. Subnormal profit is the difference between the total cost and total revenue, and firm achieves equilibrium where marginal revenue is equal to marginal cost. Normal loss is measured by the rectangle area. Here the fourth case, how firms bear abnormal loss or shutdown point under perfect competition when the firm decides to shut down. A firm incurring losses in the short run will not withdraw from the market, but will wait for market conditions to improve in the long run. Firm would continue production till price is greater than average variable cost. If average variable cost is greater than average revenue, the firm would shut down. Point A denotes the shutdown point where price is equal to average variable cost. Any fall in market price below P will cause the firm to shut down. Firm is not recovering its average cost, so average cost lies above. We can say the point at which the price is equal to average variable cost is shutdown point, because if price is below average variable cost and firm continues to produce, losses will include not only the fixed cost but also a portion of variable cost. If price is greater than average variable cost, the firm will not shut down its production even if it incurs some loss, because firm will cover all of its variable cost and some portion of the fixed cost. If production is stopped, the losses will increase. The restoration of short-run equilibrium to long-run equilibrium. In the long run, all firms earn normal profit. The firms which earn the supernormal profit because of high prices, new firms enter into the market, causing rightward shift in the supply and decrease in price equal to the average total cost. Some of the firms during short run earn the abnormal profit at this price. Due to their abnormal profit, new firms enter into a market. As a result, the supply curve shifts rightward. So the supply increases. Due to increase in supply, the new price is settled through the demand and supply forces is this. So all firms automatically restores to their normal profit at this point. In the long run, all firms earn normal profit because the firms which afforded the abnormal loss have quit from market, causing leftward shift in supply curve, and the firms which afforded the normal loss will exist in the market and causes increase in the price to a level equal to the average total cost. Those firms which remained in the market, they have caused the increase in price. As a result, they automatically restores to the normal profit. So therefore, in the long run, price always moves back to the position where all firms are earning normal profit. In the long run, firms in competitive market earns zero economic profit. Therefore, the owner of the firm earns normal return on investment equal to what he or she would earn by investing funds in the best alternative venture of similar risk. It means total revenue of firm just cover all cost, explicit and implicit cost. The competition in the input as well as in the commodity market will result in all firms having identical average cost and zero economic profit. I hope that the equilibrium of firm under perfect computation would be clear to all of you. If you have any query, you must ask in comment box. Please let me know your feedback or future request in comment box. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, because you will get more information from my side on the microeconomics. After completing microeconomics lecture, we will start with macroeconomics, managerial economics, development economics. A lot of things you will learn from my side, so don't forget to subscribe. You must subscribe my channel and share this video to everyone so that everybody can benefit from it. Thanks for watching.